Hey everybody, I'm going to do another cooking video. I'm going to be using the Maximatic air fryer, and I'm going to try to do bacon again. I'm going to do it like a normal human being this time, unlike last time when I tried 3 pounds at once, which was no good. We're going to try doing just a pound like a normal human being. Alright, so we got our 1 pound of bacon here, and our air fryer has been preheated for 2 minutes. And I'll try to this laid out in a way that'll hopefully work this time. Alright, a couple things here. So we got 1 layer of bacon down, and I've actually got some tin foil in my bottom tray here. I do that because it won't fit in the dishwasher. The actual basket will, but the other tray won't. And so got that in there to make cleanup a little bit easier. And I'll be putting my wire rack in. These don't come with the Maximatic, but you can get them on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description to the wire rack. So I'm going to attempt to do two layers of bacon here. Alright, so here's what we got. We got I guess half a pound of bacon on the wire rack and half a pound of bacon below it. I guess is how that probably worked out. And into the air fryer. And I'm going to do 360 for, let's do 360 for 10 minutes here, and we'll see what happens. Alright, that's what I'm talking about right here. That looks like some crispy bacon. So that's like 12 minutes at 360, I guess is what maybe the right amount of time is. And just scoop it right off of our rack here. Yep, and you know what? Not totally surprising. The stuff that was on the rack is awesome looking. And under the rack, not so much. I guess we're going to try to do another 5 minutes here. I guess with these air fryers, you really can't cover anything up. It's got to be exposed. I guess I should probably have known that. But, you know, I'm new to air fryers, so I guess that's probably pretty obvious. Do like 5 minutes here. Alright, so 5 minutes is up here. Oh yeah, extra crispy this time. You can see that. Yeah, it's also some good looking bacon. And in the 5 minutes that took, I sampled the rest of the bacon, and it was excellent. So here's what we got on the bottom rack here. That ended up being like 17 minutes. So didn't really work out great with the rack covering it. So I guess that just means I have to buy more bacon and try this again, which is perfectly fine with me. I really dig bacon, like I guess a lot of people probably do. But anyway, so that's kind of trying to cook bacon here, sort of like a normal person, and failing again. But I'll be at the store later on tonight, and I'll get some more, and we'll try it again. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and yeah, that's all I got. We'll talk to everybody later.